In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Brother MFC L2750dw printer. So the first step is to remove the paper tray. If you see any paper stuck here, you can just take it out. Make sure everything is clear. Close it. Now you can lift this section up. See any paper stuck here, you can pull it out from this side, or you can just close it. At the back side you will see there is a tray here. If you pull it down, you have the access to take the paper out from here. You can also take it out from this side, or you can slide out this tray and you can just have a look. Any paper stuck here, you can just take it out. Once you are done, just push it in. This way we can fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.